In this section, we're going to look at document linking. Now, what you should do is upload your documents to your website and then link to those documents in the normal way. And what you need to do is to use a text link with SEO friendly text as the anchor text. So for instance, in my case, if I've got a document that I've produced, maybe a Word document or a PDF document, I can link to that with a phrase something like, please click to download my SEO tips and tricks document. And the point being that the anchor text has SEO friendly words in it. The other thing you should do with your documents is to make sure that within the documents themselves you have clickable hyperlinks back to your website. So for instance, maybe in the footer on every page you could have your your web address or also an email address maybe. The other thing you want to do is to make sure you have clickable hyperlinks within your document that link back to your website. So in some cases this could link back to your home page, or maybe link back to a page on your website that's directly related in some way to the contents of the downloadable document. Now, a clever way of using content is to create a web page. So on the web page, maybe it's tips and tricks about something or other. So in my case, I might have a web page displaying tips and tricks about on-site SEO, for sake of argument. What I can then do is to create a document version of the same material. So basically I'm recycling the material, but I create it maybe in a Word document, so I can save the information as a Word document and also as a PDF document. So what I can do is to have a web page with information in it. Then at the bottom of that page I can have two links, one to a Word version and one to a PDF version, and it's essentially the same content as on the actual web page itself. The advantage of doing this is you then have, if you make a Word version and PDF version, you make basically three versions of the same content. So you only have to write the content once and you recycle it three times. Once on the website, once on the Word document, and once in the PDF document. And the great thing is that all three of those items can show up in the search engine results.